In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tags in Constant Contact. This process is incredibly straightforward and a great way to organize your contact list effectively. Let's get started by heading over to the Constant Contact dashboard. Once you're there, take a look at the left side menu. From this menu, you'll want to select the Contacts option. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Within this menu, look for All Contacts and give that a click. This will bring you to a screen displaying a list of all your contacts. It's a useful overview as it shows everyone you're currently connected with in one place. On the far right side of this screen, you'll notice 3 dots, which signify more actions are available. Click on these 3 dots and you'll find the Manage Tags option. Managing tags is an essential function when you're dealing with large lists of contacts. It allows you to categorize your contacts more efficiently, which can significantly enhance how you engage and communicate with your audience. Once you click on Manage Tags, you'll be taken to a new view where you'll see any existing tags you've already created. If you're looking to add a new tag, turn your attention to the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Here, you'll see a button labeled Plus Create New Tag. Clicking on this will bring up a prompt where you can enter the name of your new tag. Remember, choosing descriptive tag names can really help you later on when you're sorting or searching through your contact list. So take a moment to consider the best name for your new tag before you proceed. Once you've entered the name of your tag, the only thing left to do is click on Create. This simple action will save your new tag to the system, allowing you to immediately start using it to categorize and organize your contacts. And just like that, you've added a new tag in Constant Contact. It's a quick and easy process, yet it provides significant benefits in terms of managing your contact list effectively. With your new tags, you can better target your communications, ensuring that your messages reach the right audiences at the right times. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're now more confident in using tags to organize your contacts in Constant Contact. By mastering these small steps, you're setting yourself up for greater efficiency and success in your future email marketing campaigns.